mindfulness and meditation. How you can reduce stress, sharpen focus, and build calmness in your life. And how being mindful and with the habit of meditation, you can take away a lot of stress out of your life. Now, why are we stressed today? Well, we have so much of pressure on us. For example, how much do we work? What all work we need to do? Somebody pressure. We are not able to give time to our family. We are not giving time to ourselves. We are not physically fit. Now, all these things are getting adding up and creating stress. So, constant notification and information overload has put our mind out of context. We don't know what to consume and what to leave. There is immense work pressure and future anxiety. How we are going to take care of our future? Will I have enough money? How can I become a millionaire like my neighborhood? And these are the things which keeps on bothering people. We also regret about past that we have already lost so much of time. And how are we going to shape our future? By constant thinking and putting our brain with a lot of mental stress, because of which our body starts to react in a different manner. Or stress. Now, why it matters? Because everyday pressure in form of stress reduces the attention span and increases the reactivity. We somehow tend to react to the small things that happen around us without even realizing that what we're doing is not right. What should be is an mindfulness, intention on purpose to reduce how we react. The mindfulness is being in the present. Mindfulness is about thinking about the present moment, not bothering about future, not thinking. Now, they are a possible manner. So being fully present here and now, we are observing our thoughts without we are aware of our own breath and feeling everything that comes out. Kindness, breath, the way you breathe, the bird chirping around you, the green forest, the leaves falling down from the trees, the animals walking down the lane. Everything seems so beautiful if looked with mindfulness. Now, what is meditation? And what is the difference between mindfulness and meditation? As I said, mindfulness is being in the present. Meditation is to build more awareness. Mindfulness is about noticing thoughts, feelings, and sensations. And meditation is training to get more attention and emotional regulation. Mindfulness involves informal moments, mindful walking, mindful eating. And meditation is breathing with focus, loving with kindness. The benefit of mindfulness is to increase awareness and reduce reactivity. And meditation is all about bringing mental clarity, emotional balance, and reducing mental noise. So, if you have to give a quick comparison, mindfulness can be done anytime. Whether you're sitting on your chair right now thinking about your this video which I'm making, how it's going to help people, And it's the value which I'm adding in. In the process, I am loving what I'm doing. This is mindfulness. Meditation is usually done at a fixed time. Mindfulness is applied during daily activities, and meditation is done in sitting or a quiet posture. Mindfulness is being aware in the present, and meditation is training the mind. Now, what are the benefits of mindfulness in meditation? Once you do mindfulness and practice meditation, you reduce stress and anxiety. Your focus tends to improve, thereby increasing your productivity. You have better emotional control. Your sleep quality and duration increases. Overall, your mental health starts to become better. You have something which is divine presence that keeps you calm and focused. At the same time, you are enjoying everything that's happening around you. So, what are different types of meditation? First is to breathe and to just feel your breath. The second form of meditation is loving and kindness meditation. It is by doing compassionate work and giving good deeds in the society, showing acts of kindness with people. Third form is body scan meditation, wherein you notice any form of sensation within your body from top to bottom while practicing this meditation. Mantra meditation is repeat a word sound as an anchor for attention. Simple 5 minutes mindfulness practice is something which you all need to do every day. Once you start doing it, the results will shockingly surprise you. Just sit comfortably in a peaceful position at a place which is your favorite. Close your eyes. Think about nothing. Just focus on breathing. Notice your thoughts which are coming. Try to close them wherever they are, but do not fight them. Just acknowledge them. Again, return to your breath. With constant practice, very soon you'll be able to just hear your breath, the sound of the air coming out of your lungs, and the air getting into your windpipe slowly through your diaphragm and into your stomach. This is how you practice mindfulness. But how do you bring mindfulness in daily life while you're doing your personal work, while you're eating, having conversation, listening to other people, commuting, while you're walking, while you're traveling, while doing your daily work, going to gym, or doing your official work? There are certain myths about meditation. People say that to your thoughts, absolutely not. Let them come. Acknowledge it, but focus back on your breath. You need hours to meditate. No, you just need 5 to 10 minutes. Meditation is religious. No, it's spiritual. It's giving peace to your mind. Thoughts are normal. You need to practice. The more you practice, the better. You'll make it as a skill.